Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna be doing a test. Gonna try using bar leaks, head seal blown head gasket repair to try and see if I can get this engine to stop blowing exhaust into the coolant. So this, and there's common ways that the head gasket goes bad, right? Either oil goes in the coolant goes in the oil, it can seep at the sides of the heads, or the most, I haven't seen it too often, is where exhaust will creep out of the engine and go straight into the cooling system. You can see some of these hoses have a little bit of stress from a little bit of bubbling from all the pressure that they build up. But yeah, it's not that bad of a leak. The engine can still run, but it starts overheating without the heater on. I made a video about that if you want to watch. And we got no leaks either, except for a little bit of oil. I made a video about that too, where that bolt, the oil drain plug, is stripped. If you have great job mechanics, if you can use an impact wrenches on cars like this. But you can see there's no coolant, no milkiness in the oil. And I ran this thing for like almost 2 hours yesterday. The oil is dark, but not cloudy, not sludged. So, I already drained some coolant to go ahead and give this a shot. So, you gotta shake the crap out of this. Let me skip this. Alright, I shook it when I first got it, and I just shook it for another good minute. So I think we're ready to cut this off and pour it in and see what happens. Huh, it's kind of blue. Oh, it's got metal flakes in it too. You can see, I can't zoom in there, but if you look inside, see it's shiny? It's got flakes in it. So apparently I don't gotta drain the coolant or anything. It can, doesn't have to be water, it can be coolant. It says to install a cold engine, shake bottle of water, move your cap, pour the correct amount in, which is like a 12-13 quart system, so I'm gonna use the whole bottle. It says 10 to 20 quarts to use the whole bottle. Turn the heater on, run fan on high, run engine until thermostat opens, thermal temperature reached, turn vehicle off and allow engine to cool, and then top off the radiator and either run the engine at high RPM or drive 15 minutes lightly, and then turn vehicle off now to cool. Top off radiator and leave this in the system for additional, protection, or just for it to keep working if anything ever goes wrong again. Oh, it's gonna suck to flush later on if I do the engine swap. But whatever, here we go. Ooh, it's goopy. Alright, well, in the bottle it goes. Oh, well, I really don't like how goopy it is. Alright, let me go turn the car on. Alright, cap back on and tight. Here we go. Start right up. Oh, or not. That's not that before. Interesting. Oh, alright, might have to give it a little gas. Come on. Oh, I just left it there and it did it on its own. Cool. I already have the heater on. Put that fan on max. Heater on. And I guess we'll see what happens. Let it run till it gets hot. Getting there, almost there. It's taking quite a while though. Okay, well, it says to run engine until thermostat opens to normal temperature, until thermostat opens and no more operating temperature is reached. Turn vehicle off and allow engine to cool. This might take 30 minutes or longer. Just reached the middle point here. So, going to, and heater's been on, full blast. So, gonna turn it off now and let the engine cool off. And the waiting game begins. Well, it's been way over an hour. Let's check the coolant level. Well, just check it shows the needle finally in the blue. Well, there's still coolant in there. I wish the freaking little bubble that comes out would work. But I'll add a itsy bitsy bit more just to make sure. Okay, just added some more. The level is just at that freaking black plastic mark there. Well, let's start her up. Fingers crossed. Oh, is that I wired my angel eyes? Let's see. All right. So you can see we're in the cold now. Heater's still on. Just double check the bottle, make sure it says that's okay. Okay. Well, the bottle doesn't say anything about turning off the heater. Just says the, you know, turn vehicle off, engine to cool, it's gonna take 30 minutes longer, which took like an hour and a half. Top of radiator, air cooling is needed, and you run engine to high idle, 1200 RPMs, or gently run vehicle 15 minutes. Well, it's 200 RPMs right there. Alright, well, it's been about 5 minutes of me running it at the 1200 RPMs, and it just reached operating temperature. Just reached that. Turn the heater off, because, you know, if I was driving it around for 15 minutes, I wouldn't have the heater on, will I? I'd be dying. But it seems to be maintaining right there in the middle, so that's a good sign. You know, we're kind of holding it right there around the 1300 RPM line. You know. But it's staying there. The heater is off, and I have the thing on blue there, so it's not circulating through the heater core. So far, so good. I'm pretty happy. Looks like it's being a good, it's behaving. I know the angle's weird there, but you know, there you go. So you can see it's right in the middle. Running low on gas. I really hope this worked. It's a great vehicle. But yeah, alright, well, 15 minutes was on the bottle, so we're gonna keep going. We're 6 minutes in or so. Alright, well, we're approaching, well, it's actually the 15-minute mark right now, and it's maintained temperature, hasn't overheated. So it looks like this might have worked. Question now is, how long will it work for? I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off, leave the car alone, and I guess one day I'll start driving it. After today, I guess I'll go register the car, start driving it, and keep progress of it. If it starts overheating again, I'll make a video about it, and I guess I'll have to contact Bars Leaks for a for their lifetime guarantee or warranty and see how that goes. But yeah, and can't even see the miles, but it's at 183,754. We'll see how long that lasts. All right, thanks for watching. Oh, and I don't know if the engine was on, but the check engine light is off if it was on earlier.